Use the drumming that might be being picked up, but I was recently asked to do a test of our DSC system, or my DSC system, but little people know we have this in the house. I'm not going to be doing a test of it because I don't want you guys seeing where the sensors are for it, because it says protect the house. But on this system, we have the main built-in siren as well as a Wave 2 that's wired externally. It's cursed because it's getting weird power, but we're going to very quickly do a police panic, then we'll go test the DSC system. So 3, 2, 1. But yeah, so that's that.
Disarmed. System panic alarm. Disarmed. System panic alarm. Disarmed.
Trying to clear
System
it.
okay.
There we go. All right, so on with the DSC test. Right here is lights 50%. A DSC impassa. We have a sensor on the door. Motion sensor there, wireless touchpad there, and there's a smoke detector downstairs, which I won't be testing today. But we'll go ahead and arm this stay, I guess. I'll pause this video and we'll come back when it's armed. Here's a look at that remote touchpad. That's what it looks like. So we'll come back when the system's armed. All right, it's finally armed, stay, as we can see. So this will be instant. When I open this door, the alarm will sound. Actually, let's just trip the shock sensor. So let's just simulate somebody trying to like kick a front. This would be on like a front door. So. As you can see, zone 3, third bedroom door. Go ahead and clear that out. But yeah, that just wraps up this DSC test. It's quick and dirty, I know. We'll do a bigger test when it's not 2104 and hitting loud sound environments and having my mom yell at me from the other room. We'll set off the motion and I'll set off the smoke detector downstairs. But that's it. And this does have voice chime.
Bedroom. Door.
Alrighty, that's gonna wrap this video up. Open Deck Systems is out.